Hello everyone, welcome to today's Power BI tutorial. In this session, today we are going to explore switch function. So it is a very important and powerful DAX function which is used for conditional logic in Power BI calculations. So we will see this function step by step with an example. So let us have the situation wherein we have a table employee details in which we have following columns: employee ID, employee name, his gender, his or her gender, date of joining the organization, the department in which he or she is working, the salary, and we have a final column rating. So we know that in any organization at the end of the year, all the employees are rated out of 5. So here is the rating of each employee out of 5. So John Smith got 1.8 rating and Robert Johnson got 3.9 rating and Eva Thompson got 4.4 as rating. So this rating now is for 50 employees, but in an organization we can have more than 1000 employees. Like when I was working for Reliance, they were having 1000 employees, more than 1000 employees. So if we present this kind of um, table to the head of the organization, it will be not convenient. So he's not going to look at the individual rating. Rather, what we are going to do is we are going to categorize these ratings into excellent, good, average, below average, or poor. So what we want is this: expected output has another column category. So wherein excellent, good, average, poor, below average, these are the categories for, and this category is derived from rating. So the criteria is, if the rating is 4 and above, that means 5 is the maximum rating that an employee can get. So if it is 4 and above, he should be categorized as an excellent employee. So see here, employee ID 8, Olivia White, she has got a rating 4. That means she has been categorized into excellent. Now 4.5, see, employee ID 2 is again excellent. So including 4 and above is categorized as excellent. Likewise, 3 and uh, between 3 and 4 is good, then 2 and 3 is average, between 1 and 2 is below average, and below 1 is poor. So if an employee gets a rating 1, that means he is below average, he is not to be considered as poor. So you see here, employee ID 13, he has got rating 1, so he is rated as below average. And let me see any employee getting less than 1, so it is not mentioned here. So this is what we are going to do. So how it is solving our problem? So here we have only 5 categories. So to the head of the organization, we can show how many employees got excellent, how many employees got good rating, how many got average as the rating. So this will be, more convenient for the head of the organization to visualize how many employees falls in which category, and then uh, further it will help in taking decisions. So let us quickly go to Power BI and accomplish this task using switch function. But before that, let us roughly get an idea about the syntax of switch function. So switch function has these three mandatory. You see here, these three are mandatory and the others are optional. These are arguments or inputs to the switch function. So first we will write switch and then expression and then value 1, result 1. This represents the conditions. If first condition is true, then what is the result? Second condition is true, what is the result? And likewise, and at the end we will have else. That means if all the conditions are false, then the default value that will be returned by switch function is written as default result. So this seems theoretical. For that, let us quickly jump into Power BI and apply this switch function to accomplish our task. So here we are in the Power BI. Let us first import our dataset. Our dataset is an Excel file wherein we have the employee details as the table and it has 50 records. Let us load the file. So our file is loaded. Let us go to table view and see here we have the records of 50 employees. Now we will create a new column, and by the way, this is called calculated column. You might have learned about measures and calculated columns. So this is a calculated column. So first, what is the name of this column? It is category. Then we will use switch function. Then the first condition here is the first argument is expression. So I am going to write expression as true, then comma. Why I am writing true here? You will get to know about this in the later part of the video. So here I will give input as expression as true. Then value 1, result 1, value 2, result 2, likewise. So what is the value? Value is the criteria by which it is going to show some result. So the criteria is our rating if it is greater than or equal to 4. If it is greater than equal to 4, then it must return excellent. So this is the first value, value 1 and result 1. So what it is going to do is it will go into this rating column and find out all the ratings which are greater than or equal to 4, and in front of it in the next column, that is category column, which will be created in front of these ratings which are greater than equal to 4, it will enter excellent and it will leave other values because we are using true in the expression. Now the second condition was if rating is greater than or equal to 3. So this employee must be rated as good. Likewise, we will write down all the conditions greater than equal to 2. Then the employee will be rated as average, and if the rating is greater than equal to 1, then it is below average. So below average, and at the end I will write down poor. So he will be rated as, he or she will be rated as poor. So one more calculated column needs to be manually refreshed. Okay, forget about it. Let us just press enter and see whether this code works or not. So it is working. So let me explain you how this code works. So first of all, we have this switch function, which is a conditional statement. What it will do is it will go into rating column and it will find out all the ratings which are greater than equal to 4. First it will find 4.5 and in front of it will insert excellent. Then it will further go 4.8 excellent, then 4 excellent, 4.4 excellent, 5 excellent, rating 4, that means excellent, and for others it will leave blank. Then because we have used true, then after the first condition it will go to second condition. Then in this rating column it will search for the values which are greater than or equal to 3. So see, 4.5 is also greater than 3, but it will not write good here because this category column is already filled with the uh, excellent excellent category. So this is the importance of true, writing true here. So if true is written here, that means that once for one rating 4.5 excellent category is assigned, then you are not going to override this. So greater than equal to 3 means 3.9, it is the category is blank, it will type good. Then 3.7, good. 4 is already excellent, so this is not going to override this. And likewise for all other ratings which are greater than equal to 3, it will return good, like 3.7, good. Then after going through all the ratings, it will go to the next condition, rating greater than equal to 2. So 2.3, yes, it is greater than 2, so it will write average in front of it, and it is not going to touch the 0. 0.8. Nothing will be uh, substituted here in this cell. Likewise, employee rating greater than equal to 1, so 1.8, now it will write below average here, and else it is poor. So all the ratings which are less than 1 will be poor. So let me see if anyone has got poor. Yes, 0. 0.9. Employee ID 14, Mia Turner. She was in IT department, got a very poor rating. So in front of it, we have poor. So this is how the switch function is going to work, and it is going to check each condition um, one at a time, and it is going to return this excellent, good, average or below average. And this is due to this true. If we remove this true statement from here and press enter, we will get error. See, so that is why we must write true here, and let us press enter, and okay. But there are cases wherein we use switch without true. I will talk about that in next video. So this was all about switch function in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you like this video and want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.